Hey there, smart garden community. If you've ever wondered why some gardens burst with life while others struggle, the secret often lies beneath the surface, in the humus. This dark, crumbly goldmine of organic matter is the lifeblood of fertile soil. But how do you know if your garden has enough of it? Let's dive into simple, hands-on methods to test your soil's humus content right at home. No lab required, just a little curiosity and a willingness to get your hands dirty. The jar test. Let sedimentation reveal the truth. One of the easiest ways to estimate humus is with a classic soil sedimentation test. Grab a clear mason jar, fill it 1/3 with soil from different areas of your garden, avoiding surface debris, then add water until the jar is 2/3 full. Secure the lid and shake vigorously for a minute. Let the jar sit undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Over time, the soil will separate into distinct layers: sand at the bottom, silt in the middle, clay on top, and organic matter floating near the surface. Measure the thickness of the floating layer. If it's less than 5% of the total soil volume, your humus levels might need a boost. This test not only highlights organic content but also reveals your soil's texture, helping you tailor amendments like compost or peat moss. The squeeze test. Feel your soil's story. Your hands are powerful tools. Take a handful of damp, not soggy soil and squeeze it tightly. If it forms a loose ball that crumbles easily when poked, congratulations, you've got well-structured soil rich in humus. But if it holds a tight, sticky shape or feels gritty and falls apart immediately, it's a sign of low organic matter. Sandy soils with low humus drain too quickly, while clay-heavy soils become compacted. Humus acts like a sponge, balancing moisture retention and drainage. If your squeeze test disappoints, work in organic matter like leaf mold or aged manure to improve texture and humus over time. Visual and tactile clues. Look, touch, and smell. Healthy, humus-rich soil looks, feels, and even smells alive. Start by examining its color. Dark brown or black hues indicate high organic content, while pale gray or reddish tones suggest minimal humus. Next, rub a small sample between your fingers. Humus-rich soil feels crumbly and light, almost like chocolate cake crumbs thanks to its porous structure. Finally, take a whiff. Earthiness or a fresh, forest-like aroma signals active microbial life, a hallmark of humus. If your soil smells sour or metallic, it may lack organic matter or have poor drainage. These sensory clues are quick, reliable ways to gauge your soil's health daily. The burn test. Fire up the facts. For a slightly more dramatic method, try the burn test. Spread a thin layer of dry soil on a fireproof surface, like a baking sheet, and heat it in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Organic matter will smolder and turn ashy, while mineral components remain unchanged. Alternatively, microwave a moist soil sample for 2 to 3 minutes. If it emits a smoky odor, organic content is present. After cooling, compare the soil's weight to its original state. A significant reduction suggests higher humus levels. This method isn't precise, but it's a fun way to confirm suspicions from other tests. Interpreting results and boosting humus. Low humus? Don't panic, it's fixable. Start by adding compost annually, aiming for 2 to 3 inches layered on beds. Mulch with straw, grass clippings, or shredded leaves to protect soil and feed microbes. Avoid synthetic fertilizers that harm beneficial organisms. Plant cover crops like clover or vetch in off-seasons. Their roots prevent erosion and add organic matter when tilled under. Over time, these practices transform lifeless dirt into thriving, humus-rich soil. Your next steps. Testing for humus isn't just a science, it's a conversation with your garden. By understanding your soil's needs, you'll grow healthier plants and harvest bigger rewards. Ready to take action? Grab a jar, trust your senses, and start nurturing your soil today. Love these tips? Hit that subscribe button and share this guide with fellow gardeners. Let's grow smarter together.